Hey everyone, here's my Holmes window fan. I got this thing in July. It's a nice little fan. It has, high and low, and 5 different temperature settings. So, here's high. Here's low. And then you can switch through the temperature things. I plan to replace this with a window air conditioner. Probably either a Gold Star or a higher. But overall, I think this is a nice fan. You can have it on intake or exhaust. I prefer having it on intake, especially during the fall time. I can change it to so it's exhausting all the air out of the room to the outside. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.